did you know you can regrow vegetables from kitchen scraps and live a more sustainable life? Yep, that's right. You can save money, reduce waste, and get fresh produce all from the comfort of your home. Let's dive into some of these amazing veggies you can regrow and their surprising health benefits. First up, carrots. Don't toss those carrot tops. You can regrow them in water. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which supports eye health and boosts immunity. Next, celery. Place the base in water and watch it sprout. Celery contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties aiding digestion. Lettuce is another easy one. Just put the base in water and it'll regrow in no time. High in water content and vitamins A and K, it's great for hydration and bone health. Green onions are a favorite. Pop the roots in water and they'll regrow quickly. They're packed with vitamin C and sulfur compounds, supporting immunity and heart health. Garlic is super simple. Plant a clove and get a whole new bulb. Known for its antibacterial properties, garlic can also help lower blood pressure. Potatoes and sweet potatoes are fun too. Let them sprout and plant them in soil. Potatoes provide energy through carbohydrates, while sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and beta-carotene, promoting gut health and vision. Ginger is a must-try. Plant a piece of rhizome and it will grow into a new plant. Ginger contains gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Basil and cilantro can be regrown from cuttings. Basil offers anti-inflammatory benefits and is rich in vitamin K, while cilantro is high in antioxidants and may help lower blood sugar levels. Leeks and onions are similar to green onions. High in antioxidants, they're great for cardiovascular health and regulating blood sugar levels. Cabbage, fennel, and beets are equally easy. Cabbage supports digestion and bone health. Fennel aids in digestion and hormone balance, and beets help regulate blood pressure and endurance. Radishes, turnips, chili peppers, mushrooms, parsley, and kale are all excellent choices too. Radishes are low in calories and high in fiber. Turnips improve digestion and immunity. Chili peppers may boost metabolism. Mushrooms support immunity. Parsley promotes bone and eye health. And kale is loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, excellent for heart and bone health. These vegetables not only contribute to a sustainable lifestyle, but also provide essential nutrients for overall health. If you're enjoying this tip, don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Stick around for our next video.